This is the Pride Mobility Folding Go-Go Scooter. It's Go-Go Folding Scooter. This scooter is a portable scooter. It's a very nice scooter. It has a 250-pound weight capability, so the maximum weight on this scooter is 250 pounds. I will show you all about the scooter here in a minute, but very nice scooter. The width of the scooter is 19 inches. From here to here is 19 inches. Now your arms on your chair right now are at 21 inches. From here to here is 21. You can take those arms out. If you want it to be at 19 inches, you could take the arms off the scooter. They do come off, okay? So as I said, this scooter has a 250-pound weight capability. It's called the Pride Go-Go Folding Scooter. Another thing about this scooter, it does have a top speed of 4 miles an hour. The length of the scooter is 37 inches. 37 from front to back is 37 inches. It has a 32-inch turning circle, 32 inch. So if you were to go in a circle, it would be 32 inches in a complete circle, okay? Another thing about this scooter, it does have headlights and tail lights. So if I turn the lights on and I turn these lights off, you would be able to see the LED lights in the front. And you can see in the back the tail lights right here. So those are your tail lights on the back of your scooter and your LED lights in the front. So I'm going to bring the scooter back here since it doesn't weigh that much. Now this scooter weighs about 51 pounds, and that's without the battery pack. With the battery pack, it's about 59 pounds. So when you fold this scooter, it's real easy to fold. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it. There's a red handle right here, right over here. When you pull this red handle right here, is that the one? Oh no, it's this one here. When you pull the red handle here, you fold the scooter down like this, put the seat down, bring it all the way up, and it locks automatically. And then you can put it up like this. Now I'm going to turn the lights off, that would probably help. And you can roll it this way. You can see the bottom of the scooter right here. You can see it's a direct drive motor, and you can see it has 8-inch wheels, 2-inch by 8-inch wheels, drive wheels in the back. And it does have 2 wheels in the front. So this is the folding scooter right here. And right here it would be at roughly about 60 pounds right here. So this time we're going to use this red lever here instead of this one. We're going to hold this one, and I'm just going to bring the scooter back up, hold the seat back, push it forward, and it locks into place. Okay? So this is how you unfold. So again, to fold it, you would pull this lever here, bring it towards you, fold the seat down, bring it all the way down until it's locked. Power off, you're folded, and you're ready to go. So if you have 2 people, you can lift this in the car very easily. When you unfold it, this time you will pull the red lever here, pull the handle up, pull the seat back, and then you have to push it back this way. That locks it into place. So the nice thing about this scooter, I'm 6 foot tall, so I'm a little bit tall for this scooter, but you have room for your legs here also. The arms do raise up. Remember, this is a portable scooter. It's not a full-size scooter. I'm going to turn the power back on. As I said, this scooter will go 4 miles an hour. On the back of your scooter, you've got a lever right here. So if you need to push the scooter around in neutral, you can just push this lever up, and now your scooter will be in neutral. Okay? Put it back down. You're back in gear. If you want to take the battery pack out, this is where you would charge it, but if you want to take the battery pack out, it sits in here on Velcro. So you would just pull it out. There's your battery pack right here. And you can charge it inside the house. Right here, there's a port to charge it. So if you take this out, then the scooter is only like 51 pounds. But this is about 8-9 pounds. And this goes back into here, and it snaps right into there. So you can take the battery pack, take it in the house, and charge it inside your house with your charger. This scooter comes with two different types of batteries, lithium batteries or 2 deep cycle batteries in that pack. If you go with lithium batteries, the pack is going to be about 5 pounds. If you go with deep cycle batteries, you're probably looking at about 15 pounds. It's going to be quite a bit heavier with the deep cycle batteries. The lithium batteries, you have to be careful. A lot of airlines will not take them anymore. So if you have a lithium battery pack in here, you may not be able to get on the airline. With the deep cycle battery, you should have no problems at all. So this is your battery pack, this is your neutral, you have anti-tip wheels here. I'm going to turn the power back on, move it forward, move it back. So as I said, this is the Pride. The nice thing about it, you also have anti-tip wheels. You notice right here you have anti-tip wheels, so if you happen to go like this, that's as far as it'll go. A little bit of suspension here, but this is one of the nicest folding scooter out there. It's very, very well built. It's made by Pride Mobility. This tiller right here is also adjustable, so if you need more height, you can have this adjusted up or down depending how tall you are. So it comes with a battery charger. You would take your battery charger right here that comes with the scooter, and the cord is right in here. And you would plug in your battery charger cord, of course, right in the bottom of your battery pack right here. Right there. And plug it into the wall. And as soon as the battery's full, the charger will stop charging. So most of these scooters will come with the regular lead acid batteries. If you want a lithium battery pack, it's going to be quite a bit more expensive. It's also available. So this scooter here has a 2.5-inch clearance under the scooter, under the motor, 2.5-inch clearance. So let's recap. We've got here a go-go folding scooter by Pride Mobility, 4 miles an hour, top speed. You've got headlights, and you've got tail lights back here. You've got arms that do come up, and also you have arms. If you don't want them, you can just take them right off. A lot of people do, because you can always put your hands here, and that'll give you 19 inches from here to here. The length of the scooter, as I said earlier, is 37 inches, 32 inches for a turning radius. The distance on this scooter, if you've got regular lead acid batteries in here, you're going to get about 9.3 miles. If you got the regular batteries that come with it, it'll give you a distance of 9.3 miles. So it's nice if you carry your charger with you, just carry your little charger with you, and if you get low at the end of the day, you can always charge it up for a couple hours while you're eating. If you go with lithium batteries, they're quite a bit more expensive, and you're not going to be able to take them on. A lot of airplanes will not let you take them. You're going to get about 12.5 miles in distance, but they are quite a bit more expensive. That is an upgrade, the lithium batteries, and they're about half the weight of the lead acid batteries. So again, this is the brand new, newest scooter that they come out. It's called the Go-Go Folding Scooter by Pride Mobility. It's a very nice one, and it's ready to go. Very easy to drive, 4 miles an hour, has a good turning radius. If you're in a tight, you can turn this just about like this, and you do have 2 wheels in the front, 2 in the back, and you have the anti-tip wheels right there, which is very nice. So for a portable little scooter, this is made by Pride Mobility. They really built a real nice, solid one. You see some out there, they're portable, but they're not going to last very long. They're not built very good. The tubing on this scooter and everything else is very high quality. So it's a very nice scooter. As I said, it does have the headlight and the tail light, 4 miles an hour, folds up easily. It's really nice.
Hi, I'm Mark. And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.